Disclaimer: the subject matter has been produced using AI technology and can in no way be employed as fact. The AI works on articles and blogs, so may only be deemed as what others believe, not necessarily the editor of this video. This video is in no way intended as fact or intended to cause undue stress, only for entertainment value. The disclaimer is produced by Tony of Tony's Music. Thank you.
Moto Guzzi is an Italian motorcycle manufacturer and one of the oldest brands in the industry. Founded in 1921, Moto Guzzi has a rich history of producing some of the most iconic and stylish motorcycles in the world. While the company has changed hands several times over the years, it has always remained true to its Italian roots and continues to produce high-quality motorcycles that are renowned for their unique style and performance. Moto Guzzi motorcycles are immediately recognizable, thanks to their distinct design. The company has always been known for its innovative engineering, and this is evident in the attention to detail that can be seen in every Moto Guzzi bike. From the signature V-twin engine to the sleek and stylish bodywork, Moto Guzzi motorcycles are truly works of art. While Moto Guzzi is best known for its stylish and innovative motorcycles, the company also has a rich racing heritage. Moto Guzzi has been competing in motorcycle races since the early days of the sport and has been successful at the highest level, winning the coveted Isle of Man TT race multiple times. Today, Moto Guzzi continues to produce some of the most beautiful and stylish motorcycles in the world.